Me, I don't like that activities. Guys, welcome. We are in Laguna. I don't know Laguna. And we're on the lake and with the activities, but me except me. I don't like that. I don't like too much that, so I don't do it. I want the fishing after swimming, but not this. And after you cross the bridge, when you coming back here. So that is the activities for today for vacation. I'm very quiet, guys, for the moment. I don't have much videos, and I do it after. Welcome, guys, to my live. No, welcome to my YouTube channel, not my live. This is so. But it's going small, very far from me. Or it's finished. 5 seconds. And you take the break. Over trouble. Breathe over trouble. And someone to have a kayak also. That is the activities. Well, not really good because I thinking is more than this. What I'm dreaming, but no. And also the swimming pool is very small. And I have a big swimming pool on top of my condominium, and here is so small. So not really. Maybe because the price is not also bigger and small price, very cheap, and because it's very bad place. I don't like what I said. Yeah, I tell already the girl that your swimming pool is so small and the water never changes. I mean, we don't have water come like my swimming pool. I have a swimming pool, guys, in my private condominium, so I know the swimming pool. But here, look at that, and dirty, a lot of leaves, so dirty. So if you want someone to come in your swimming pool, is you must to have maintain clean your swimming pool. That is not good. You know me, I'm always complaining like that because my swimming pool there's a lot. I have a guard, I have everything, so to maintain. And one times a week they clean the swimming pool because we have big swimming pool. And I'm so disappointed appointed this trouble activities. Go! No, I don't know. I don't know me. I don't like Hopla. I don't like that activities. Because when I'm in USA, guys, and in Florida, what happened to me? I was hospital. I wake up in the hospital because I do the activities that is not good for me. So that's why I don't want to do anymore. Here, I don't think so. Have a this is the poorest, and I don't think so. Have a hospital and the nearest. So yeah, that's why I don't like the activities like that. It's not really my dreams. Okay, I'm boring for this. I prefer the beach than here. Yeah, because we do today. My Gigi is coming back in France by after tomorrow. That's why we this place, but I don't know good or not. Not really good. I think I have love only the activities going fishing. Yeah. So I don't know. I don't even want to be swimming because the swimming pool is so dirty. I go to swimming in my swimming pool. It's broken the bridge because you are so heavy. I on my way to love you, babe, forever. It's better I make TikTok here and I make videos. I can to make videos my own. Yeah. And then after this, we eat the lunch. Because we are reserving here for whole day, but we arrive at 11, guys. So with traffic and it's far, 3 hour and a half. The by car. Okay. Okay, it's done my video. Look guys, the swimming pool is so small. That's my complaint. I mean, okay, it's small, but I think it's so dirty. Look, and the water is still the same, not moving. And how many people to swim this? Look at guys, look this. Have activities and you rent the water is don't have yeah, like always the same. You see how dirty they are, so that's my complaint. It's not going my way. Yeah, I just like food. Just to make where's my cottage is, this is my cottage, but really exciting here. This place for me is not good. Next time I go to the beach, because me I stay until 3 I back 3 September, so I go to the beach and yeah, another have a big villa, but yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching and thank you. You want to see me? It's so high, it's so high. Bye bye guys, thank you. Yeah, it's the forest. What you see here, nobody's. On this side, nobody. And the lake. You make a kayak here. I don't want also. I want also. It's only that you have. Okay, bye bye guys. I love you. Much love everyone. God bless. Thanks for watching and thanks for your subscribe. And thanks for like and share. Thank you so much guys. Much love.